Hey Girl Scouts, it's Alaska here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make brown bears. So if you've never made brown bears before, all you will need is crescent roll dough, a little bit of butter, and some cinnamon and sugar. And if you don't have it in a little container like this, you can just mix some cinnamon and sugar together. So first thing you want to do is you want to open your crescent roll dough just like this, and you want to find the spot where the dough starts. So you kind of gotta look around to find it here. I might just take out the whole thing so I can find it a little easier. So once you find it, it'll be a little perforated, so it'll have little marks in it, and you just peel around that and take it out. And don't worry about it being perfect. It might not be perfect, and that's okay. It's like this one won't be, but we tried our best. So once you have that off of there, you are going to take a stick that you use to roast marshmallows or hot dogs, and you simply wrap your dough around the stick, just like this. Once you have a better grip, you can kind of grab the dough and go around it. And then you have it on your stick like this. Probably won't all look the same, but that's okay. Now we're going to go ahead and go on over to the fire, and we're going to cook this. So here we are at our fire. All you have to do is hold it over your fire. You don't have to turn it very fast, just kind of keep a good eye on it. And it doesn't have to be directly in the flame. It could even be over the coals. It's entirely up to you with your preferences. Make sure you're following fire safety, and yeah. So now we have our brown bear all cooked. It's a little burnt, but that's okay. You want to make sure that your dough is not completely raw, because that is not good to eat. And now we're going to go ahead and go over and finish it off. So now that we have it all done, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of butter on it. You want to make sure that it is not completely cooled yet, but make sure it's not super hot. And you can just slide the butter on there like that, or you can use your hands and pick up the butter. But I don't really want buttery hands today, so I'm just going to do it like this. And then once you have it nice and buttered, you want to put it in either a plastic bag of cinnamon and sugar or just something you can hold it in. Slide your dough off into it and just kind of give it a good little swirl in there, a good little shake if you're using a plastic bag. And then when you have your brown bear all covered in cinnamon and sugar, you're all done, and you can go ahead and eat your brown bear as much as you'd like.